Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 15, SSC Board, chapter number 7, Mensuration. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from problem set 7, question number 11. Now, there are two questions and both are very important questions. Okay, so you try to concentrate, try to understand. Okay. Square ABCD is inscribed in a sector A PCQ. The radius of sector C BXD is 20 centimeter. Complete the following activity to find the area of shaded region. Okay. Now first you concentrate on the what figure. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Side of square ABCD is equal to radius of sector CBXD is equal to 20 centimeter. Area of square is equal to side square is equal to 20 in square is equal to 400 cm square. Area of shaded region inside the square means this inside the square is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of sector this CBXD is equal to 400 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 400 minus 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into 400, and if you simplify this you will get 400 minus 314 and is equal to 86 cm square. Now radius of bigger sector is equal to length of diagonal of square ABCD. Correct. Look here, this is a radius and this is a diagonal of square. So radius of bigger sector is equal to length of diagonal of square ABCD and is equal to 20 root 2 cm. So area of shaded region outside the square is equal to area of sector A dash PCQ minus area of square ABCD, and therefore theta upon 360 into pi into r square minus 20 square. So 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 square minus 20 square. So if you simplify this you will get 628 minus 400 is equal to 228, and therefore total area of the shaded region is equal to 86 plus 228 is equal to 314 cm square. Okay. Question number 12. Now this question is very important. Try to understand. Two circles with center O and P are touching internally at point A. If BQ is equal to 9 and DE is equal to 5, complete the following activity to find the radii of the circles. Okay. Now try to understand this question. Let the radius of the bigger circle be r and that of smaller circle be r, small r. Then OA, OB, OC and OD are the radii of the bigger circle, and therefore OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to capital R. PQ is equal to PA is equal to radius of smaller circle, that is equal to R. And now Now you try to understand this part is important. OQ is equal to OB minus BQ is equal to R minus 9 and OE is equal to OD minus DE is equal to R minus 5. Now here I use one property as the chord QA and EF of the circle with center P intersect in the interior of the circle. So these two are chords and they are intersect each other in the interior of the circle, and so by the property of internal division of two chords of a circle, OQ into OA is equal to OE into OF, and therefore OQ is equal to R minus 9 into R is equal to R minus 5 into OE, and because what OF is equal to OE. Okay, and therefore R minus 1 into R is equal to R1 minus 5 R minus 5. So R square minus 9R is equal to R square minus 10R plus 25 is equal to, and if you simplify this you will get R is equal to 25. Now AQ is equal to 2R, AB is equal to AB minus BQ is equal to 9, and AB is equal to 50, that is diameter of what larger circle. So 2R is equal to 50 minus 9 gives you 41, and therefore R is equal to 41 upon 2 is equal to 20.5, and hence radius of bigger circle is equal to 25 units and radius of smaller circle is 20.5 units. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.